Motivate daily. So guys, उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब good होंगे, happy होंगे and well होंगे. So guys, in today's videos, I will tell you about 18-wheeler accident attorney. तो 18-wheeler accident attorney के बारे में हम आपको बताएंगे अपने start to end देखने किसी भी किस्से को मिस बिल्कुल नहीं करना. So guys, now we are starting this 18-wheeler. That is a 18-wheeler accident attorney. 18-wheeler accident attorney driving 18-wheelers or semi-trailer trucks has inherent risk. The sheer size and speed at which these trucks operate can cause significant damage on the road. According to Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, 4862 large trucks were involved in fatal crashes in 2018. Singles, which includes 18-wheeler, around for 55% of these large truck fatal crashes. When a large truck accident occurs, many complications arise. That's why you should consult with 18-wheeler attorney immediately after the incidents. For injuries to liability to insurance claims, an 18-wheeler accident attorney can help guide you through the legal process. Why are 18-wheelers so dangerous? The reason is that, guys, because we exactly make 18-wheelers so much more dangerous than average vehicles. Let's explore two reasons. Combinations of weight and speed. First reason is that while the average consumer car weighs 1.5 tons, on average loaded tractor weighs 40 tons. That's nearly 27 times heavier than your average car. Now imagine the 40-ton trucks traveling 60 mph crashing against small vehicles. Consequence can be distress. Stopping distance. Light trucks need much more time to stop than a car. Check the average passenger vehicle traveling 65 mph to 60 feet to stop under ideal conditions. 8-ton truck it takes 525 feet to stop for a 40-ton truck. There is a lag time when the driver hits the brake and when brakes are applied. This means 18-wheeler require even more stopping distance. Blind spot, hazardous material, unsecured cargo. Common case of 18-wheeler accident. Determining the case for 18-wheeler accident is not always available. The truck driver may not always be primary party responsible for the crash. Often there are multiple factors contributing the case of accident. Here are some of the most common cases of 18-wheeler accident. Driver experience. Driver are required to undergo extensive training before obtaining the commercial driver's license. The requirements for each state vary, but in general, driver must pass a written exam, get a learning permit, and pass training test. With increasing demand for truck driver in the industry, companies may be knowledgeable or unknowledgeable hiring under qualified drivers. In addition, trucking license for case where trucking schools are issuing fraudulent license can increase number of inexperienced drivers on the roads. Driver fatigue. According to FMCSA, fatigue was contributing factor in 13% of accidents involving commercial motor vehicles. Similar truck drivers can be on the road for many hours under exerting conditions. Therefore, falling asleep on wheels is a rare risk when operating a large truck. To fight against this risk, however, several laws regulations are in place to limit horse driving. For instance, drivers are limited to 11 hours for driving after 10 hours of duty. There are also mandatory breaks that drivers must take during their shift. However, even with these regulations, driver fatigue can still moreover drivers may choose to violation most regulations literally demands to make it trenches for all the roads. And the main reason is that bad weather is the main reason. So guys, if you're interested in that's like videos, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and bell and press the bell icon for new updates. So see you soon in new videos. Thanks for watching.